What if we could provide a vibrant ecosystem for a diverse community of pollinators and other essential insects to that ecosystem? What if we could start with a few native plants and see our small patch of this earth come alive? What if we could create safe havens that provide food, shelter, medicine, and water? What if we could remove sterile lawns, hedges, trees, gardens, and use the gifts the earth readily supplies? What if we could become stewards and treated our yards respectfully and embrace reciprocity and stop fighting nature? What if we could embrace the wealth that comes from helping others in our ecosystem to help ourselves and our future? What if we could help others see and hear and feel and smell and taste the bounty of a biodiverse ecosystem? What if we could break the need in our society to conform to uniformity for the sake of convenience and profit? What if we could listen to a passionate younger generation concerned about their planet and just start with a few native plants and see what would happen 5 years later? What if we, no, wait, no, not what if. Look at what we actually did and the results 5 years later. Welcome to our Suburban Sanctuary that is home to over 130 native species of the Carolinian Zone in southern Ontario. We are the landing place for pollinators and insects who play the many roles in a vibrant ecosystem economy. The garden is a sanctuary for wildlife and humanity alike.